This is time for your science classes. Just kidding. In this video, we are going to learn that why do you have thyroid disease in the first place, why you got diagnosed with this. Now, before we understand that why do you have thyroid disease, let's understand what your thyroid is made of. And before we understand what your thyroid is made of, let's understand what your body is made of, which can be comprised to one and one thing only, which is bunch of cells. Everything in your body, whether it's your eyes, your nose, your heart, your liver, your kidney, your muscles, or your bones, or anything. In this whole body, everything is made of one and one thing only, which is bunch of cells. Now, how your cells knows that how to become your heart, your liver, your kidney, so on and so forth, is because of the one thing, which is your genetic memory. Because of this genetic memory, your cells forms tissues, and these tissues forms your organs and everything in your body. And in exact same manner, these cells also makes your thyroid gland. So you understand that what your thyroid gland and what your body is made of, which is bunch of cells. Just like how you need food to be alive, these cells also need food. And this food is provided by your blood. So your blood carries oxygen, nutrients, carbon, sugar, so on and so forth, so that your cells can consume it. So just like you eat and eliminate, your cells also needs to do the same thing. And that's where the lymphatic system plays its role. So the job of the lymphatic system is to collect the waste from your tissues, which can also be toxins or dead cells. Now then, the next job of the lymphatic system is to either push out the toxins from your body or just to recycle the waste and then put it back. Now coming back to the thyroid gland. So as you have understood that your thyroid is made of bunch of cells. Now what has to happen that this thyroid gland doesn't function properly? So there are few reasons that it might be happening. The first reason is maybe because of the genetic memory. That maybe because of this weak genes, you have weak thyroid gland. The second reason that it could be happening is because of the poor nourishment. Maybe the nutrients that your cells are getting from your blood is not enough, is not right. And because of this, it's not able to function properly. And the third reason that why it might be happening is because of the lymphatic system. If your lymphatic system becomes stagnant, it stops moving, it gets clogged. Because of this, it suppresses the thyroid gland as well. So what makes the lymphatic system stagnant or clogged? It's maybe the kind of food that you're eating, maybe this years of constipation and the bloating and this kind of issues, maybe because of the poor stress management, poor sleep cycles, the kind of water that you drink, the kind of environment that you are in, and there are so many other reasons. Because of this, the lymphatic system gets stagnant, it gets impacted, and it stops moving. Now when it stops moving, it creates a lot of acidic waste, and which gets into the blood. Now blood is filtered by your liver and your kidney. Now because this waste, this blood is highly acidic, it also weakens your liver and your kidney. And that's exactly where most of your thyroid hormone gets converted from inactive thyroid hormone to active thyroid hormone. So it's a whole cycle of a lymphatic system becoming stagnant, and then therefore it makes other organs weak, and these organs again makes an impact on your thyroid gland. And this thyroid gland, which is the government of the body, which controls everything in your body, your metabolism, your fertility, your stress management, and many other functions. So again, that becomes weaker. Your reproductive organs become weaker. Your capacity to handle the stress level goes down. Your metabolism is broken down, so it doesn't matter how hard you try, you don't lose weight. What are the signs that the lymphatic system is becoming acidic? If you have a swelling, that's a reason. If you have a gut issues, that's a reason. If you have a hair fall, your lymphatic system is becoming acidic. If you have acne, that's the reason. And all these other symptoms which you are experiencing as a thyroid patient. Okay, so that makes sense that maybe because of the genetic reason, my cells are weaker. Maybe because of the lymphatic system and because of this acidic waste, it's suppressing my thyroid function. Or maybe my thyroid gland is not getting proper nourishment. So what do I need to do exactly? This is what you need to work upon. You need to clean this acidic waste. You need to get these acids out of your body so that the inflammation goes out, the water retention goes out, the weight goes out, and all of these problems goes out. You need to strengthen the cells by doing the right kind of things. So you need to strengthen your cells, clean the lymphatic system, clean the internal system, and that's all you need to do.